Right, it's that time again. Who's gonna get that deed, I wonders? Good luck. Spectre doesn't leave much room for anything else. It just doesn't. It's hard to it's getting harder to even put anything with it. But we're going to keep the retail dream alive and hope and dream. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, good luck, everybody. The beginning. Levante David. Old Jared Goff. What up, dog? Jamal Williams. And look, that's insane. That is insane, uncanny, and insane. The first pack. He couldn't even wait till the second pack tonight, you guys. Sauce. Chase Brown. For the pack, it is Marshawn Lloyd on the select certified and a Jerry Jeudy for the Browns going to Bafane. Look, we'll put Jerry up. We'll put Jerry right up on up. Look. Your boy. Kareem Hunt. Xavier Worthy will take. Zay Flowers on the future for the Ravens and Justin Jefferson. It is Nimitz. She's on a roll. And a Bo Nix. I guess there's a Theo in this or a Rook or something. There's something in here. You know it is. There's Mikey. Hey, Mikey. I was trying to get your attention. I couldn't invite you because, but I can follow you now. I just followed you, Mikey. You've got the Titans in this. Do me a favor, follow me back. We've only done, 3 packs? Russell. Oh, well, jump up and bit me. Chris Jones for the Chiefs on the zebra. There you go, bro. I was paying attention to Mikey. Appreciate the follow, bro. We take those. Levante David for the Bucks and Justin Herbert. He's that guy is a big catalyst to their success. That guy right there. Well, you got your Levante David, dog. We ain't done by no stretch of the imagination. DeMarcus Lawrence, Amari Cooper, Caleb Williams on the turbocharged, and a Ray McLeod for the Falcons. Old Ray. And Caleb. Alternate Rook. Jahan Dotson. Old Reichert. Debo on the die cut for the Niners and Raheem Mostert. That was a pretty good first little blaster right there. I told you we were due for something. We were due. The timing was adding up. The amount of what we had opened was coming to fruition. Appreciate the likes, Chet. Hey, Kraken, what's going on, brother? A little Quinion Mitchell action for the Eagles. Brian Urlacher, C.J. Stroud, and T.J. Hawkinson. It's a start, blissfully. It's a start. Joseph Montana. Jacob May for the Pats. Aaron Rodgers on the numbers for the Jets, and Dak Prescott for the Dallas Cowboys, going to Mr. Ella. And old Drake of Mays made an appearance as well. How about that? All right, Devontae Smith. Select certified Bo Nix. Pimp playa. Ray Davis, that's going to be numbered. And Deion Dawkins, that is out of $3.99 going to Doc. And Doc also has the Broncos, so he got that little Bo Nix action too. I don't even know if Doc's in here right now. I assume he is, but I don't know it. I can't prove it if he is or isn't. Really, Bethany, really? That's interesting. Thank you for telling me that. Thank you for telling me that. There might be something to that. That's a good... Well done. Well done, Bethany. Well done. There's got to be a connection, right? Because I told you I checked my internet. There's nothing wrong. So I'll check that. Blake Corum, Jameis Winston, DeMarcus Ware, and Kendrick Bourne. Yes, I will. I certainly will. That's probably exactly what it is. So I'll just sing a cappella from now on. 10 points to Hufflepuff. I couldn't figure it out. Obviously now I know. Maybe it needs an update or something. Caleb Williams on the base. Joe Alt for the Chargers. Behind Joe is a Braylon Allen future for the Jets and a Tariq Woolen for the Seahawks. One pack of select left, and then we'll get that mega, and then it's just hobby. But we'll take little Braylon Allens and Caleb Williams where they'll throw them out at us, you know. Joseph Burra. Theo for Bethany. Not really, but we'll make sure. Doc already told me he didn't want any. So, Buda Baker and Calvin Austin III. All right, Mega, what you got? Can you give us a little love like the first blaster did with a little zebra action? Huh? Huh? Oh, I will, Doc. Every single one. Empty box. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Be good to us, Optic. Please and thank you. Because all we got's hobbies after this. Stevenson, Minshew, Williams. Oh, hi. For the Miami Dolphins, how about Tyreek Hill on the downtown? Thank you, Mega. Appreciate you. So, downtown, check. Zebra, check. And that is going to Anthony. Anthony, are you in here, brother? A card. A deed. A nice Lad McConkey for the Chargers as well. Going to Devira, Trey Benson, and Saquon Barkley. Got you a nice little deed there, brother. And we got 2 excellent hobbies still chilling back there. I love it. Chet, you know how, hey, look, we're not done yet. You know darn right. Isaiah Simmons, Cam Jordan, Zay Jones, Patty Surtain, hidden potential Jalen Polk, Kool-Aid McKinstry, and DJ James. I mean, to have 2 blasters and a mega and hit a downtown and a zebra, like that's I can't really ask for more. Actually, yes, I can. Give us a blue Jaden or something. We got a patch in this one. Derek Carr, James Cook, Joe Mixon. It is Brendan Rice for the Chargers. We've got a nice silver Jordan Love for the pack. Take that. Michael Penix Jr. and Jacob Cowling for the Niners. It's nice. Turn out into a nice little mega now. Don't stop. We got 3 packs left. But we take these. Right here. Oh, Brendan, you want to be difficult. All right. All right, Brendan Fraser. Jordan Addison, Jalen Waddle, Mark Andrews, Luke Musgrave, Diamond Hands, Tyreek Hill, Cade Stover for the Texans, and Marshawn Lloyd. Old Cade. So we got a downtown, a zebra. Spectra, be good to us. Actually, you first, Topps Chrome Cosmic, then Spectra. Chris Saxon, what's up, dog? Byron Young, Kyron Williams, Deontay Johnson, Zaire Franklin, Dallas Turner for the Vikings, Enos Rakestraw, and a Spencer Rattler. Okay. Take that. Last pack of the retail. Then it's all hobby action. Mayberry, we got a couple of deeds back there, but, you know, we're about to get into hobbies here in a second. Josh Palmer, Christian Wilkins, Nick Chubb, Michael Wilson, Nate Wiggins for the Ravens we take, Jawar Jordan, and Jeremy Ruckert. Go B-Wax. All right, we're obviously doing Spectra last. We're not doing Spectra first. We're doing Spectra last. Why don't you come on down here and why don't you get opened. Okay. Good luck, everybody. It's hobby time. 20 packs in this. One, two, three, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's right, Kim. Deeds galore. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we got them all. Empty box. Yeah, that's not bad with 1 mega and 2 blasters. Yeah. Yep. Let's ride right into these hobbies. That's what I say. Don't stop now. We ain't done yet. Randy Moss, Mr. Sims, Kelsey, and Corley for the Jets. A very, very basic pack to start with. Interesting. Jerry Rice. Refractor Bruce Matthews for the Titans. Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. And Quinion Mitchell for the Eagles. That pack got a little bit saucier. It got a little bit nicer. A couple of people we like to see and whatnot, you know. And Matthews. Adrian Peterson. Jamal Charles. Christian Okoye for the Chiefs, and a Jalen McMillan for the Bucs. There you go, Chad. There's one little deedsman. We've got Warren Moon, Jason Witten, Star Command Joe Montana getting a little bit better in here for the Niners. And Williams for the Titans. James Williams for the Titans. Yeah, Hunter, it's Chris Jones. Chet, he doesn't sign for the Bucs in this. But if I pull that, then you should start screaming. Davis, Heap. Out of 75, Brian Westbrook and Jerzon Newton. Not for the Bucs in this. He signs for the Pats. He can be on the Bucs in it, but he doesn't sign for the Bucs in this. I don't think. Gates, Levis, Young, and Braswell. Like, he's in the product. He's even got a short print in this for the Bucs. But signatures. Hold on. Die cut. Steve Young for the Niners. Drew Brees for the Saints and Latham for the Titans. Titan getting all their rookies. And a couple of legends, too. Brian Westbrook was pretty good. I remember him more so on the Commanders than I do the Eagles, but I know he spent a good amount of time there. Old Lynn, Bailey, Kelly, McConkey. Chet, I'm trying to tell you, you don't be. How about change that to Tom Brady short print, low numbered out of 5. Ray Lewis for the Pack, Morgan on the nucleus, Tom Brady for the Pats, and Smith. See, look what you did. See what David. Who did you? There was something for you because I remember saying your name. Don't remember what though. Oh, it was just a Dak Prescott so far. So no, not really. You haven't missed anything yet, anyways. Dwayne Bowe, Joe Montana, numbered for the Bengals this time out of 150, Chad Ocho Cinco Johnson, and that's Doc and an Enos Rakestraw Jr. So this is an interesting box. We hit the out of 150, we hit the out of 75, and the nucleus all on the right side of the box. I don't know. I really don't. Maybe a planetary pursuit. I don't know. Boomer. Tom Brady for the Bucs. Look at you, Chet. They didn't leave you hanging. They gave you a little bit of love. Barry Foster for the Steelers and Bub Means. Nimitz, it might be. It might be. We should at least still have one numbered card and some kind of insert of some sort. Ozzie Newsome, Earl Campbell. Here's a numbered card. Galaxy Greats for the Green Bay Packers. 9 out of 99. Brett Favre. There you go, silver. And Kamari Lassiter. So, yeah, this box has really got me confused. We're going to find out because we're going to open them, but I don't have a read at all right now. Keenan McCardell, Ricky Williams, Michael Vick for the Falcons, and Jonah Ellis for the Broncos. Makovic. Oh, and don't forget there's a Spectre sitting back there. I mean, yeah. Favre. Keyshawn Johnson. Donnie McNabb. Jawar Jordan on the refractor, and Tyler Guyton for the Cowboys on the rookie junt. This is wild. Kellen Winslow, CJ2K, Anthony Richardson on the Star Command, and Frank Gore Jr. Every time. Yeah. Bettis, Seahorn. Galaxy Greats, Jason Witten for the Cowboys, and a Bocephus Nix. Yeah, they kind of do, Mayberry. I have some clearly we're going to use. If I get lucky enough, we might get some cheaper breaks going this week. See how it all turns out. Drew Bledsoe, Bob Greasy, Terry Bradshaw, and Hall Jr. for the Browns. The Browns can't stop. 3 packs left. This is the most confusing one I've ever opened. We've got something here. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll just pull from the back. Wiggins, Star Command Steve Young. Oh, it's an auto. Oh, boy. It's an auto out of 50. Oh, my goodness. You never know. You just never know. Will Levis going to the Titans. Wow. What a weird box. What a weird box for him to be chilling in there. 15 out of 50. Will Levis going to the new Primo Breaker, the only new Primo Breaker, Mikey. That guy's probably not done yet. He's probably done on the Titans, but he's the exact type of guy to stick around for a while. Don't be surprised if he's starting for a team near you. They are very nice cards. Flutie, McMahon, die cut is Michael Vick for the Falcons and Chase McClellan. And we're 1 pack away from basically what built this break, to be quite honest. Like I said earlier, if you don't believe me, go look them up. Go look them up. It's obscene. But if you want to rip the good stuff, you know. Smith, Richardson. We couldn't have finished without some kind of a duel. Raiders is Ben, and Lions is Doc, and Malik Washington for the Dolphins, University of Virginia. We'll have to take care of this at the end, unless I see otherwise. All right, Spectra, speak now or forever hold your peace. It's that time again. Doc. Yeah, you and me both. Good luck, everybody. I'll do a recap at the end. Old Spectra. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Empty box. Good luck, everybody. It's that time. It's Spectra time, folks. I got one more, Nimitz. I got one more. We start out with a Javonte Williams for the Denver Broncos. That's Doc. Followed up with a Patrick Mahomes out of 60 on the Crush patch. Okay. Little disco action. Look, team, I told you, always finds a way. Going to Trevor. Adonai Mitchell on the auto, and that is out of 26 out of 60, brother. And a Kamari Lassiter for the Texans out of 60 as well. So a little Patty Mahomes action to start us out tonight. All AFC teams to start that Spectra out. All AFC teams. Okay. Okay. We'll add an eye. Javonte's not on the Broncos anymore, but this does go to the Broncos. And pimp playa, Patrick. Yeah, he's a little too chunky. I thought maybe I could get by, but he's just a little bit too chunky. All right, that's one. We've got Christopher Jones again for the Chiefs, showing up tonight. Ooh. Out of 25, this should be nice. For the San Francisco 49ers, Terrell Owens on the Max Impact patch, and it is nice. Look at that beauty. I like you. And that is 10 out of 25, brother. Next up, is this a legend? Got a die cut here. I think we got a legend of some sort. Brian Jordan on the illustrious legends for the Falcons. And that is out of 99. Sweet looking card. Wow, no way. Chris Jones taking over the night, folks. On the die cut out of 50. Now, I will say I've had some nice Chris Jones cards, and they sell. I'm telling you, they sell. Brian Jordan. Okay, Brian. We won't force it. We won't force it. You're a little bit thicker than I anticipated. That's what she said. And a nice TO while we're at it. It's nice looking, too. I like it. It's very nice. I like it very much. And oh boy. Right, ya. All right. 2 packs to go. It's going backwards. So we saw a Ram already. It is Blake Corum on the building blocks. Patch card out of 75. 19 out of 75 going to the Rams. Okay. It's going to Hunter. Ooh, this is nice. I don't know how low numbered it is. Cam. Rookie Aura. Brian Thomas Jr. Let's hang on. Let's take our time here. Out of 50. Yep. Mm-hmm. Who is this? C.J. Mosley for the Jets. Tom, you found a way to get a deed. Out of 199. And a Joseph Alt for the Chargers. He is 21 out of 25 for the Chargers. With 1 pack to go. Oh boy. A hope and a dream. We haven't seen a rookie QB in this, have we? Not that means they're going to be in here. We haven't seen a rookie QB in this box. Last chance, or Primo's going to have to help you. Which he's fine with. Thank you, everybody. Let's see what is in here. We've got Edrin Cooper for the pack. Okay. Oh, his luck continues. 2 out of 10. Caleb Williams. Look at that sick patch. My goodness. 2 out of 10. That's pretty sick. Little color match action, too. For the Panthers, Jonathan Brooks on the RPA, and that is out of 10 as well. Boy, if he ever becomes not injured, yeah. And our last card is a Cortland Sutton for the Broncos out of 99. Wow, that's a nice Caleb right there. Thank you, everybody. Again, if it wasn't your, if it wasn't your cup of tea, I got your back. This goes to more to anybody that maybe is first time breaking with me. You'll see what I mean. You'll understand what I mean. Very nice, B-Wax. Very nice. You're still on a heater. The heater continues. And the Panthers got a nice little deed out of 10. Spectra cards hold that value if they ever do anything. They don't go down. Sorry, Ben. I got your back, bro. Don't worry. There was some good stuff in this break, though. I just know all of you didn't get it. I understand that. But we'll do a recap right quick. Will Levis threw me off a little bit. I wasn't ready for old boy. And we'll probably do something on the easier side tomorrow night, you guys. Depends on what I get here tomorrow. Or what I go after tomorrow. I'm always looking for us deeds, okay? Appreciate you, B-Wax. Quite the day, brother. Quite the day. Trevor, bro, I'm sorry. I can't control too much, but you did. At least you did get an auto out of this one. But of course, I'll see it again. Oh, Ben, you're right. What card was that? Hang on, I might have put it in this stack. I thought I put it to the side, but you're right. Kim, are you still in here? I must have done something with it. Hang on, let me find it, bro. You're right. I probably put it in the stack. Got ahead of myself a little bit there. My bad. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, where are you? There it is. My bad, brother. All right. Where them teams at? Where them teams at? I done told you once. I done told you 1,000 times now. Where's my boys at? What's going on here? There they are. All right. So there's not a whole lot of mystery to this. We know what we're doing here. We know what's going on right here, right now, right here, right now, right here. All right, Kim. I may be moving them. I maybe not. You never know. It's all Tyrone's fault. I was trying to get to the recap. You know what to do, left or right. Right it is. That is the Detroit Lions. As you can see, the Raiders were the other squad. Sorry, Ben. It should have went the other way since you were the one that reminded me. I'm sorry, dog. But I got your back anyways. This goes to the Detroit Lions. Nate Wiggins, Jason Witten. Everybody have a good night. Tom Brady for the Bucks. Morgan. Tom Brady for the Pats. Steve Young. Brendan Rice. Spencer Rattler and Jordan Love. Lad McConkey, Caleb Williams, Derek May, Steve Young, Troy Polamalu, Bo Nix, Braylon Allen, Ray Davis was out of $3.99. Joe Montana and Drew Brees, Jalen McMillan, Nate Wiggins. Appreciate you, Trevor. Trust and believe I got your back. I will eventually pull you something nasty. We do that round here. Rookie Aura out of 50, 32 out of 50. Anthony Richardson, Brett Favre was out of 99. Dak Prescott, Debo Samuel, Levante David, Jerry Jeudy, Blake Corum, Caleb Williams, Bo Nix, Xavier Worthy. Kamari Lassiter was out of 60, and Lad McConkey. We've got Brian Westbrook out of 75, 65 out of 75. Barry Foster, Chad Johnson out of 150 for the Bengals. Chris Jones, Javonte Williams. Will Levis on card, 15 out of 50. Still a nasty looking card. But yeah, not bad for the Titans. We take that. Mike Vick, Bo Nix, Jonathan Brooks on the RPA for the Panthers, 3 out of 10. Terrell Owens max impact patch for the Niners out of 25. Some low numbered cards. Chris Jones out of 50. Crush, Patty Mahomes patch, and that was out of 60. Adonai Mitchell auto out of 60. Cortland Sutton out of 99. Blake Corum building blocks patch for the Rams out of 75. Joe Alt for the Chargers. That was out of 25 as well. Brian Jordan on-card auto legend for the Falcons out of 99. CJ Mosley for the Jets out of 199. Edrin Cooper for the Pack. Chris Jones on the Zebra for the Chiefs. Caleb Williams patch, building blocks patch, and that is 2 out of 10. Very nice. Very, very nice. And the Tyreek Hill downtown for the Dolphins going to A card. Anthony, congrats, bro. Nice little hit there. But yeah, I got to get all this together for you guys and get it ready and get it out to you tomorrow. So appreciate y'all tonight. Like I said, we'll probably do something much easier tomorrow night, monetarily easier. You'll see what I mean. Depends on what I end up being able to grab tomorrow and for what. But everybody have a good night, and we'll just see what kind of mischief we can get into tomorrow night. Okay. Good night, Kimberly. Good night, everybody. I'll see you in a bit.